guys. It's brown out Saturday morning 7. I didn't remember there's a scheduled brown out. Let's see how long this goes. And Sonia, here we are getting some vitamin D. Where's Eloise? Oh, she's here. And Stephanie was sitting in here. And here, getting some sun. Ano duman gulay tanang? Puro gidhalin sa ugsadan, no? Wow. Malunggay. May tanglad. May kapayas to sulod ref nang. Kita mo? Patula. Anong tawag dyan? Tak. Ibutang mo para ng ano? Ang pichay? Hindi ano?
Pwede ah.
Pwede.
Ano man lang no?
We love gulay in this house. Basta may tuya pa ganing okra, tapos may okra pag ginalipatan.
Nang tawag sa paksyo kung
hood, no? Kagtarong. Let's see if we have some saluyot or tagabang. Ay dun. Ay, gingapas. Diyan na yun. So, ano ni Manang, she picked the gourd or patula from yesterday dyan sa live natin, guys. And then, let's see if we have more okra. May patani. Oh, I need a bowl patani. Ayan. Yep, we got more okra. See, let's pick more okra.
Mom, do you realize there's a sticker on your hand?
Yeah, I know. And this will do. And look at my tomato, oh. Yeah. I hope they grow. And kulitis and my pepper. Uy, may bunga dun, Bi, oh. My pepper, bell pepper. Tiny bell pepper. And what else? That's it. And my cucumbers is flowering. It's hot. That's it. This too. There's really not tagabang. We got tagabang. We got saluyot here. Before. Kaluoy lang. This is the saluyot. No. That's it. And we got more here. Oh man, I did not see this. Nilayo gani. Ang japa, ay nako. There. And here. Ano pa dyan man? Aray ko. Nabakal pati mo sa tinda ka dyan. And my kamote is here. And my labog na pula. And my kaaway are the grasshoppers. See? May patani pa.
Mom, she doesn't like to drink out of a water bowl, but she would drink.
Daw ano rin. We are busy in the kitchen. Manang is cooking our Filipino food. And I'm cooking the kids instead of food. So this is what's happening right now. Ang mga butod. Kaya hindi pwede isa lang ang lutoon. Ay, daw na ano na frozen. Ang ref, no? Kusog. Tigil pa, ano ko ruman to pay? Ano ganito? Gin-adjust ruman to sa pinakalaw.
diba si kahit minsan open.
Hindi ako kayas na straight mo. Minsan good sa rin. Yung putos, kadahan, kapapayas naman.
Hindi mo susunodin lang sa red. Basta naputos.
Ah, basta kaputos doon?
Basta may plastic.
So this is what we are cooking. I'm trying to make pasta or lasagna, whatever. And Manang cooking us tinutuan with papaya and patola and ayan. So I got this lasagna noodles from Marketplace in Fisted Mall. Tatlo pa dyan ka-proseso ako na luto. So here's my cheese sauce, guys, and the meat and the noodles, and I'm ready to assemble right here. So ganda lang naman yan, di ba? Lagyan natin ng meat sauce. Guys, ready to bake na ito. Mukhang ano na. Mukhang mango float. Ayan na guys, luto na siguro ito. Let's see. Ay, yeah. Hiwalay. Bahala na si Patuman.
Where's the key?
Does it need a key? This key is not going in.
Yeah, see.
Look at these mangoes. They wrap them one by one. See? Okay, guys. So I am in the process of making banana bread. These are the ripe bananas since we have a whole batch. I think these are about 4 large bananas. And we got the flour mixture. I have baking soda, baking powder in there, and we have vanilla extract. We go have eggs, sugar, and what else? We got butter. So pretty much just mix everything and put it in the oven. That easy. Guys, I'm making kind of like burrito tacos. And I got beyond. Got one right here. Almost lopsided. I can smell it. It looks so good too. Banana bread. Guys, it's done. And it looks good. Yep. I think I succeed on this. This is the flip back side of it. Bottom. Oh, diba? The moist. And the best banana bread in town.
Yeah. Come on out the street, Jovi.
I am. Oh, I like this.
Oh, that is pretty.
Croutons.
Uy, namir na ikudandig ko sa luti mo.
Nami na. Nami anak ko ka mga croutons. Ay, imo ragi sa gwa paged. Hoy, dyan daw bulong, jaging payo, ginapangampol. Ay, tuod. nang ano pa ko. Ha? Ginging ba si mga gatsa?
Ma? Hey, baby. How you doing?
Ayan, we are going back home. Steve gave grandma, Gingging mama, some of his banana bread.
Okay, here come a car.
Here come a car.